Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Tollgate Primary from Clarendon up against Belair Prep from Manchester. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Belair Prep won and decided to go first. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So at that time on the clock, again, we begin with Belair, and we start off with Bible knowledge. What was the name of the uncle of Lot?
Paul.
Incorrect. Abraham. Tollgate, Bible knowledge. What was the name of the second son of Abraham?
Isaac.
That's correct. Belair, science. What is the name for the small bones that make up the human backbone?
Vertebrate.
Incorrect. Vertebrae. Tollgate, science. What are the main organs of excretion in the human body?
Kidney.
That's correct. Belair, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's minister in charge of transport?
Darvaz.
That's correct. Tollgate, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's minister in charge of culture?
Floyd Green. No, Oliver Babsy Grange.
Olivia Grange is correct. Belair, English language. What is the past tense of the verb to shine?
Son.
Correct. Tollgate, English language. What is the past participle of the verb to break?
Broken.
That's correct. Television. Belair, complete the name of this program aired on TVJ. Hill and Gully.
Ride.
That's correct. Tollgate, television. Complete the names of this program aired on TVJ. Dancing.
Dynamite.
Correct. Belair, general knowledge. Joe Biden is the president of which country?
United States of America.
That's right. Tollgate, general knowledge. Fidel Castro is a former president of which country?
Cuba.
Correcto. Social studies. Belair, Keith Rowley is the prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Tollgate, social studies. Dr. Ralph Gonzalez is the prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Saint Vincent and the Grenadines.
Correct. Belair, music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single Sticks Nor Stones?
Tasha Cobbs. Chronics.
Incorrect. Rondell, positive. Music. Tollgate. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single Psalm 20?
Bob Marley. Tasha Cobbs.
Incorrect. Rhoda Isabella. Belair, mathematics. What is the sum of 59.9 and 35.8?
$95.7.
That's correct. Tollgate, mathematics. What is the sum of 88.7 and 13.6?
$102.3.
That's right. Sports. Belair, how many runs are scored when a batsman in cricket makes a duck?
6.
Incorrect. 0 or none. Tollgate, sports. How many wickets are taken when a bowler in cricket secures a hat-trick?
3.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Belair, who is the president of the People's National Party, PNP?
Peter Button. Mark Golding. Angela Brown Burke.
Incorrect. Mark Golding. Tollgate, Jamaican affairs. Who is the general secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP?
Horace Chang.
That is correct. Bible knowledge. Belair, who were the first set of twins mentioned in the Bible?
Jacob and Esau.
Correct. Tollgate, Bible knowledge. Who was the first woman mentioned in the Bible?
Eve.
That's right. Science. Belair, what is another name for the cranium in humans?
Skull.
Skull is correct. Tollgate, science. What is another name for the collarbone in humans?
Clavicle.
That's right. General knowledge, and we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1, and the scores are Tollgate Primary on 12 and Belair Prep on 8. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.